Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I've been sick for about a week, and as you can see, my place is a little crazy. So I have my to-do list and I'm going to be doing a whole house cleanup, and this is like my Monday routine usually, where I just tidy up after the weekend, but this week was a little bit more intense than usual because again, I was sick. So I'm using my favorite cleaner right now. It's the Pledge Multi-Surface, and it's 99% natural, and it has this amazing kind of orange citrus scent. Very, very nice. I hope that you enjoy this whole house clean. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do so. I like to post on there and talk about videos and things like that. So if you don't follow me, you can go to Life of Laura-Lee. And yeah, I hope that you enjoy this video. One small tip that I have is I have a bunch of these green microfiber cloths, and I like to keep a warm, damp cloth with me at all times when I'm cleaning, because I think it's great to get the walls or just to get stubborn stains, as well as I use those cloths to wash my floor. You'll see that I use the Method spray and mop, and I really love that with the microfiber. It really gets into those places, and I also get on my hands and knees and just scrub. So that's what I'm using there. Wondering what that sign is in the background. I am an ESL teacher online, and that is my backdrop when I teach students. I teach little kids. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this whole house clean. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you again for another video. Bye!